the New Year's morning, I was talking to some friends are in Scotland, some are in the US, and some are in other parts of Europe. I was just saying, like, it's hot, 30 degrees, stinking hot, and then this happened.
There you go, 1:30 in the afternoon, first 25, and it's hissing down again.
Santa's been pretty good to me this year. Well, you know, I'm my Santa. So, yeah, I've gone out and bought myself a few little toys just to make life a little bit easier. This is really going to be a game changer. Right, here we go. It's time to start getting this dash and everything out of here. First thing I'm going to do is pull this seat out, so we'll get into that straight away. Pretty keen to try this. First time I've tried it, so here we go. And I'm going the wrong way. Wow, that is really strong. That one wasn't even loose. Well, that one wasn't even tight. I want just to go back in, see if that threads, see if it will actually tighten up. Pull it out. Oh no, it does tighten up. Pull this seat forward a touch. Move that drive shaft. I'm just trying to be a little bit professional about this. There we go. There we go. That's so much easier than the old standard ratchet. These things come out so easy. A little bit heavy, but not too bad. Oh, and I kicked the camera. So it's pretty grubby inside this thing. So I'll give it a vac out and make it a bit tidier while I've got the opportunity. Oh, look at that. I'm rich. I've got $1.10. Woohoo! Alright, there we go. It's a bit cleaner. Looks like I won't be laying in shit, but this carpet's pretty well manged. I'm thinking I might stick a set of vinyl mats in it. These aren't real good. I wonder what the ones in the blue one are like. Yeah, it's fucking filthy in here. Yeah, I don't know that these are going to be any better. They're actually worse, I think. Those fucking birds. Bust it up, ain't no doubt this gang ain't going far. Rusted frame, dying flame sitting in the yard. Little chick said we're slick, but she's long gone. Landcruiser, just crewing this old song. Never get dollar spent, but it still don't move. Try to provide what else can prove. Nothing dash, we got no cash, it's a total wreck. Landcruiser, sitting here in check. Bust it up, fucked up, broke down mess. Landcruiser, it's nothing but stress. Ain't gonna ride, just this a mobile tread. Never leave the shed, never leave the shed. The world stains, busted chains, can't find no relief. Cam and crack paint is whacked out into my grief. Muffle out, head bow, praying for the spark. Landcruiser, stuck here in the dark. Dreams of highways, wild and free, but all it's given is misery. Once a pleasure, now it's gone. Landcruiser, leave it all alone. Bust it up, fucked up, broke down mess. Landcruiser, it's nothing but stress. Ain't gonna ride, just this a mobile tread. Never leave the shed, never leave the shed.
busted up, fucked up, broke down mess. The Landcruiser, it's nothing but stress. Dusty dash, we got no cash, it's a total wreck. The Landcruiser, sitting here in shed. Bust it up, fucked up, broke down mess. Landcruiser, it's nothing but stress. Ain't gonna ride, just it's a mobile dread. Never leave the shed, never leave the shed.
Gotcha. Well, that's a bloody nightmare. At least I can get to everything now. So this has all got to come out. Oh, at least I can get to these looms now, so I'm going to have a rest. Alright, I've had my little rest. And it's time to get some of these wires back out through the firewall. So I've got this loom can go out through the firewall, disconnect these, and they can go back out through the firewall as well. Let's just do it. So I've got that grommet pulled through. Now I'm going to have to undo these all as well. Let's see if I can just pull them through. Because I won't just all pull through like that. It's just a big bunch of shit that's got to go through a little hole. Right, so that's all that loom. That's all out. It can sit there for the moment. So what's going to come out of here first? That won't make it work well. That needed to be plugged in there. I might have to do a bit of homework and see what order this stuff's supposed to come out in. Looking at it, looks like the condenser's going to need to come out first. Not the condenser, the evaporator. Yeah, I might go and do some homework.